So good morning everybody. We are at the Greenford driving test center and we're doing a test route practice for 125. Candidate have already done a test before, but he was failed for some silly reason, but he decided to do a test in the Greenford. So let's see how it's going to go now. So the set now is going to give you the guidance for the route. Okay. Generally, as you know, it is only for 20 minutes which is the half of the test in the actual test. But today we just to get a practice and record it properly. That's why the sat nav is going to give you the guidance for throughout.
Yeah.
Okay. Drive on when you're ready.
After 300 yards, turn left, A4090, Whitten Avenue
If you
East.
can pull up on the left hand side after this black car, please.
You will arrive at your destination at 7:10.
Yeah, that will do for me. You may drive on when you're ready. Sometimes they may ask to pull up on the left after this left silver car as well by the tree. So if you just do that for us, please. And it said, don't worry about the blocking of the driveway.
After 80 yards, turn left, A4090, Whitten Avenue East.
Thank you. You may drive on when you're ready.
Turn left.
Okay, so this is fail of your test. You just failed your test right now. Look at your position. You're straightening the vehicle where you should be position yourself on the left. Come on, let's go. Make a turn. So straight away, this is failure of the test because there was a vehicle behind us who wants to go on the right, and we kind of blocked him.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we're gonna do this one again. So if you take the next road on the left.
After 300 yards, turn right, A4127, Greenford Road.
Whenever we're turning left, it has to be on the left side.
Okay.
If you're turning right, it has to be on the right side. Take the next road on the left after this last Mercedes. Now slow down and keep it to the left. Keep it to the left. That's it. Well done. And then you lean on your right to see that somebody's coming on wrong.
Okay.
So when you're giving a passing place, you don't signal. Okay? You
Okay.
just come in, check mirrors and get out. When you're signaling, and if there is a vehicle coming behind you, they might misinterpret
Okay.
that signal, that they think that you're going to pull up in it. Turning left at the end, please. Okay. position. Perfect. Yeah. Last check and go. End of the road, turn left. Nice position. Perfect. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. This has to be angle on the left, and then you go. You're safe. That's good. Don't leave the steering wheel. Don't let it slip between your hands. Not a good idea. So she said turn right.
Turn right, A4127, Greenford Road.
Stay here. Don't drift the vehicle on the left. Good. And now during the daytime, on your right lane, there might be a queue of traffic,
Okay.
making the zebra crossing from the right side invisible. Okay? So you need to slow down, and if you can't see the right side of the end of the zebra, then you need to lean forward and check. Okay? Don't ignore it. Right? You need to show a gesture behavior that you are looking in the both end of the zebra crossing. On your right hand side, can you see a sign for a 30? Can you see the sign for 30?
Yeah.
This is the only sign an examiner will show you that this is now 30 from here.
After 200 yards, turn left, A4005, Sudbury Hill. Turn left.
Quick progress. Quick. Pull up on the left side somewhere safe, please.
Anyway.
Yep. So anywhere here after this camera sign you can pull up. I mean, you can pull up before as well, but this is nice and flat ground for you. Okay, drive on when you're ready. So you didn't look over the right shoulder, and that's why if there is a vehicle coming, you fail the test.
Okay.
After 200 yards, turn left, A4005, Roxeth Hill. Turn left. After 300 yards, bear left, A312, Northolt Road. Bear left. After 200 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, A312, Northolt Road. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
That's good. So that goes in the left first, which is in the flat side. The second is straight here.
Yeah.
Sometimes students, they think that the second is on the petrol station
Yeah.
side. Okay, so don't get this confusion.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, Eastcote Lane. Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Eastcote Lane, then take the second left. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, then take the second left. After 100 yards, turn left, Park Lane. Turn left.
Okay, that's good. You still want to carry on with the second gear? Did you ask me about a cyclist earlier?
Yes.
What is the same scenario or not?
Yeah.
He didn't stop, did he?
Okay.
So neither he doesn't have any space to maybe stop. He does have it, but he didn't. But what we need to do is
At the end of the
slow down,
road, turn
stop.
right,
Okay.
A312, Northolt Road.
Let him find his way.
Mhm.
Because when we try to go, and then if he swerve or we swerve, we're both in a danger. Okay.
Mhm.
If one of us is at least stopped, then other person can get through. We give them a way to go first.
Turn right, A312, Northolt Road. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Dorchester Road, then take the second right. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, then take the second right.
Okay, so we missed one signal for the left turn on the roundabout.
Okay.
Quite silly mistakes, isn't it?
After 90 yards, turn right, Hallsbury Road West. Turn right.
Now, if he wants to do an emergency stop, they might use this road. So,
Okay.
have you done that before? Emergency stop?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna try again. Pull up on the left side, please. Somewhere safe. Okay. That will do for me. That's it. Drive on when you're ready. So you know how the drill works is they ask you to stop here. They give you a briefing that he will check the behind us and then make sure everything's safe. When he says stop, you stop the vehicle. Okay.
Yeah.
So drive on when you're ready. So you look over shoulder or not?
Yeah.
No, you didn't look.
No.
Come on, my friend, wake up. I know it's early morning. Okay, stop. Wrong. This is not how you stop, sir.
Okay.
I'll teach you again. Come on. All right, let's pull over in the left first by the tree. That's fine. Okay, so emergency stop. So how is going to work out? So they're gonna ask you to pull up on the left somewhere here, like
Okay.
this, on a safe place,
Mhm.
and they will give you some briefing, something like this. All right, sir, we're going to do emergency stop in a minute. So for that, I'm going to look over the shoulder just to make sure the safety of the surrounding of us, and make
Okay.
sure there's nothing following us very closely or
Yeah.
behind us. When everything's nice and safe, when I feel that as well, then I will say stop. So when I say stop, I would like you to stop your car in full control. I'm sure you have done some practice with the instructor. We're going to do the same thing today. Do you understand this? This is how they're going to tell you. And then they're going to tell you again that, remember, don't do anything when I'm looking over the shoulder, or don't do anything changes in your speed limit as well whilst you just going forward. Only respond or react when I say to you, or when you heard me saying stop. Got it? So what did he want from you? A brisk break, a quick reaction. The emergency stop, it's an exercise. Okay, it's like a fire drill at your workplace.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's no actual fire, but when they ring the fire alarm, the employer expecting you to leave the building
Yeah.
no matter what you are doing.
Okay.
Don't think about personal belonging and stuff like that. And you know that, right? It's the same kind of drill as an emergency on this one.
Okay.
There's something in front of you just suddenly come up, a child, an animal, or a vehicle, or anything like that, and you avoid a collision from the front. So that is why this emergency stop is designed. Okay.
Okay.
So what is expected is a brisk brake. Do I need to check the mirror in the behind, sir? No way.
Oh.
Because if you look in the behind mirror, and what if you miss something ahead of you? But particularly, you do aware that what is coming behind you, because every 5 to 6 seconds you do check in your mirror. But regardless who is behind you, you're still not going to worried about them, just because they need to have a clearance of 2 seconds, 4 seconds in a wet condition, 10 in icy condition, isn't it? So it's not obliged, like you don't have to look behind you on the emergency stop. That they're gonna is that gonna affect to them? It does affect to them, but technically you're not responsible for that accident if something's happened behind you, because they need to be keeping a good distance as well.
Okay.
So for the test, what is expected is, soon as he says stop, You need to brisk brake, and if you
Don't worry
can,
about the gear and all.
yes,
Okay.
if you can put the clutch down at the end and make the vehicle on, it's fine, it's good.
Okay.
But if the vehicle stops in the middle of the road whilst you're braking, doesn't matter. Okay, but the question is briskly brake. The
Okay.
way you brake there, if a child come in front of you, you would have run down it.
Okay.
Okay, so the idea is to not to run them down. Okay, so listen to his instruction, brake as quick as you can to save a collision ahead of you. That is
Okay.
something you need to think of it. Okay, agreed?
Yeah.
Let's try this now. Stop. Yeah, still got that pause, isn't it? No pause. When say stop, just brake. Alright, let's start the engine again. Clutch down. Normal start. Normal start. Start again. And now look around you and then go. Don't go without looking. Do it again, right?
Okay.
Stop.
After
Much
100
better,
yards,
much better,
turn
yeah?
right,
This is how
Russell
we do it.
Road.
Yeah, just brake like this. Imagine if there is a child come in front of me. Car stroll, doesn't matter. Okay, just hold on to your brake. Hold on to your brake on your brake until he give you the next instruction. And the instruction is drive on when you're ready. I won't be asking you to do this again. So now you quickly start your engine. Quickly, come on. Right. Just neutral. Try again. So you leave the clutch put it fully down and start. That's it. Now first get and look around you. Make sure there's nothing overtaking you. And then give a right signal if you can. Right signal because you're moving ahead. And then cancel the signal straight away. Okay, I think we need to do it again, please. Yeah. Okay, get ready for that. Stop.
Turn right, Russell Road.
Much better. And then drive on when you're ready. I won't be asking you to do this again. You can't leave the foot brake. You failed the test. The car should not move until you do a fully check. Look over the right shoulder. That's the essential observation, because anybody can do overtaking from this point. We'll do one more time. Let's make this next road on the right, and we'll do this one more time. So this is wrong right turn as well. Yeah, you have to go. I know if that car is parked, but you still have a time to turn from your side and then come to the other side. Okay, get ready for the emergency stop. This time round, if you try and put the clutch down at the end, let's try that as well. Okay, so that way you can avoid stalling of your vehicle. Stop. Okay, keep hold of both pedals. Drive on when you're ready. And we go. Okay, we're gonna just go around again because you're taking too long to start the engine as well. Okay, Has to be done in 5 seconds. Okay. Right, let's take this next road on the right. Ignore the sat nav for now. Turn right here, please. Perfect. Get ready for the emergency stop. Try not to stroll the vehicle if you can. Stop. Okay, drive on when you're ready. Much better. And move. Bring the clutch halfway first, then acceleration,
Yeah.
because you're still jerking the vehicle. One more stop practice if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Stop. Drive on when you're ready. Good. End of the road, turn right. Okay, you happy with the stop now? You want to do any more practice?
I'm happy.
Huh?
Happy.
Happy? Alright, then carry on and follow the route. So I'll tell you the next right turn and then you're going to continue with your route. So the instruction is take the next road on the right, Russell Road. Now try and do the turn from your side of the road, please. The reason being is you don't know what's coming from there. So now can you see inside the road? Then make the full turn and then you can go on your side of the road. Full turn, full turn. If you don't make full turn from there, the chances are you're going to hit this vehicle is sure. Yeah? You have to do the full turn from there. After that, if you do a cut corner, that's fine. But before that, you just cut corner because you assume that car is there and I don't have space. So you
Okay.
just gone completely without looking inside this road.
Okay.
The point is you need to look first and then make turn. Then if you do a cut corner because of that parked vehicle, fine.
Okay.
After 70 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, A4090, Whitten Avenue West.
So we turned right first on at the end of this road.
After 80 yards, turn right, Wood End Lane, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. Turn right, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Very good.
After 100 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, A4090, Whidden Avenue West. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. After 200 yards, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, A4090, Whidden Avenue West. Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
Choose the left lane always from the beginning. If you choose it later on, the mirror change direction, and that could be a failure as well sometime, because if someone's coming, if you misjudge them, if you didn't look them, well, that's a problem then. Okay, so keep it on the left all the time. In Greenford there is no other, especially on your route, basically there is no road or a junctions where you need to be on the right lane to go straight. Okay, it's always left to go straight. Keep it left. Remember, there is another vehicle might come to you.
Okay.
Now you require a mirror signal and then change lane.
After 200 yards, turn right, Melville Avenue, then turn left. Turn right, then turn left. After 80 yards, turn left, Bourneview. Turn left. end of the road, turn right, Robin Hood Way. Turn right. At the end of the road, turn right, Horsenden Lane North. Then, you have reached your destination. Turn right, then, you have reached your destination.
Pull up on the left side after this last car.
You have reached your destination 86 Horsenden Lane North.
Yep, that's okay. Okay, so that's the end of your test route. Just give me 1 second. Right, so where is you having a difficulty in your opinion?
At the first right,
First right turn.
first left turn.
Yeah, so what was the problem there? That your position was not
Yes.
your position was not correct.
Mhm.
Okay, so I have recorded some other faults as well, which I'm
Okay.
going to share you right now.
Okay.
So you need to concentrate on your gears as well, because your gear is not changing appropriately to your
Mhm.
speed. Okay, so if you're not changing your gear appropriately, most of the time you're trying to move off from the second gear, and you successfully move off as well. But if you not, then it can lead to a failure, because they're looking at correct gear changing when it's required.
Okay.
So you need to focus on that.
Yeah.
Now, in general, the
Hmm.
progress is very slow as well.
Hmm.
So, it's a Sunday morning. There's nothing, hardly something on the road.
Mhm.
So, what is expected is like when nothing is there, when you're looking over the shoulder, move quickly.
Okay.
Yeah, there's nothing right now. It doesn't mean that no one's gonna come.
Mhm.
Okay, and in general, you need to obey the speed limit. So you need to quickly progress your speed as well. Because if someone does coming, let's say very far back, let's say 20-25 car length back, someone's coming and you decided to move up, it's perfect timing.
Okay.
But now you're slowly dragging your vehicle, and then that car is now behind you and he has to brake. So that's gonna make us fail, because
Okay.
they're expecting you to move, you did move. They're expecting you to make progress because they're coming, and that's why we didn't make a expectation. So
Okay.
you need to move.
Hmm.
Okay. Mirror signal. Mirror is still not improved in my opinion. Okay. Every single time. Now have a look at this paper mark sheet. Have you seen this before, by the way? This is your mark sheet, and this is where they normally mark you. Now, signal is necessary.
Mhm.
Signal correct, signal time. These three things they marked, but your problem is here, use of mirror before signaling.
Mhm.
Now, if you're turning left, what mirrors you need to check?
Left.
Center and left. Yeah.
Center and left.
At least you check left and they will still make you pass.
Mhm.
But center left, that's the answer. Okay?
Okay.
But we're not looking
Mhm.
before the signaling.
Okay.
Okay, before you change direction, so before you move into the left or right, look on the side mirrors.
Mhm.
Look on the side mirror. There might be somebody there waiting to
Okay.
go overtake. Yeah. And before you change your speed, this is quite complicated topic for someone to digest. how do I use mirror before I change my speed? So what is change of speed means? You go up or you go down. Okay, so when you're driving, so this is where the progress also chapter, the progress point comes in as well. So when you, let's say you make a left turn or a right turn, and then you're driving, and then you saw a mirror of someone's behind me. This is your use of mirror. So you see someone's behind you, now you expected to change your speed from 10, 15 to 20. This is called change in speed. To use your mirror when you need to change your speed.
Okay.
Because someone's there, you need to do this. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm getting a bit problem there. On a closed junction, you need to bend forward. Okay, lean forward, and then you look on right and left. See someone, is it safe for gap? Is it a safe gap for you to go or not? Okay, it's not happening. What we're doing is relaxed approach, junction approach. You're checking, you're going. Most of the junctions, they are closed junction. Most of them, if you notice closely, they're closed junction. Very few they are open. If it's open junction, you can see 6-7 car length on your right, fine. But if it's closed junction, lean forward and then you look right, left, right. If safe, you go. Okay. Turning right and left from the roundabout, signal is essential. Okay, signal necessary. That's where you got it in. Okay, so why is it essential on the roundabout, especially? What if you don't signal?
Behind car is come very close.
Not close, but what they will think about where you're gonna go. Tell me. So when you're approaching roundabout and you're not signaling, and you're keeping your vehicle on the
Go
left,
straight. Yeah.
got it? So when you're not signaling, they will think that you're gonna go straight. So a cyclist, a biker, if they want to pass you from your left and go to the left, probably they're gonna fly in. There's a vehicle who is waiting on the first exit to join. They won't be able to join because they think that you're going straight. So you're blocking them as well.
Yes.
Okay. But if you signal left for your left exit, for example, someone might not overtake you from the left.
Yeah.
Might not. The guy who is waiting on the first exit, they might be joining as well, because they know that you're not going to cross them. It's important. Okay. So in general, this is what I've been noticing. Emergency stop, as I said to you, I explained to you now. You said you know that, but you didn't know. So now you know that.
Yeah.
What is the emergency stop is look like. We've done some practice as well. We may do more as well if you need it. But then its simple theory is when he says stop, just brake.
Okay.
Brake as hard as you can. And one more thing I didn't notice, I didn't tell you that time, is when you brake, your hands should be on the wheel, which was there. Your face supposed to be watching ahead. Okay, so you look ahead, alright? Don't look anywhere else. So look ahead and briskly brake. Clear? So I hope this video will help you a lot. So if you keep watching this video again and again, it will give you a much more detailed explanation of the junctions of what you're doing. Alright, thank you very much for watching this, and good luck and wish you all the best. Thank you.